Dear children, last day I taught you civics, what is democracy and why democracy. In this chapter I taught you meaning of democracy and simple definition of democracy, features of democracy के बारे में पढ़ाया था. A major decision taken by elected leaders. अब इनके मेजर लीडर्स हैं जो चुने हुए, उनके द्वारा जो डिसीजन लिया गया है उसके बारे में यहाँ पर संक्षिप्त जानकारी दे रहे हैं. जनरल मुशर्रफ रूल ऑफ पाकिस्तान फ्रॉम 1999 will give us one important feature of democracy. क्या फीचर्स उन्होंने दिया, उनके रूल के माध्यम से मिला. केस ऑफ पाकिस्तान को इन पाकिस्तान जनरल परवेज मुशर्रफ लेड अ मिलिट्री coup in October 1999. He overthrew a democratically elected government and declared himself a chief executive of the country. A bit later, he changed his designation to president. Extension. In 2002, he held a referendum in the country that granted him a 5-year extension. Pakistani media human rights organizations said that the referendum was based on malpractices and fraud. तो जानते ही हो. Legal framework. In August 2002, Musharraf issued a legal framework order that amended the Constitution of Pakistan. According to this order, the following provisions were made. The President can dismiss the national or provincial assemblies. The work of the civilian cabinet is supervised by the National Security Council. It is dominated by military officers. The elected representative and some power, but the final power was in the hands of military officers and General Musharraf himself. Practical position. The people may have elected their representative to the national and provincial assemblies. These representatives were not allowed to take the final decision. The final power rests with the army official and General Musharraf himself. This happens in many dictatorship and monarch systems. The family have an elected parliament and government, but real power is with those who are not elected. Eventually, such a condition cannot be termed as people's rule. In this way, it can be said that the first feature of democracy is that in democracy, the final decision-making power must rest with those elected by the people. Free and fair electoral competition. कहते हैं फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्टोरल कंपटीशन क्या है. द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ चाइना एंड मैक्सिको विल गिव अस एन अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ दिस फीचर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. यहाँ पर दो देशों के बारे में बात की गई है, चाइना मैक्सिको में. उन्होंने इस बात को डेमोक्रेसी को समझने के लिए कहते हैं तत्व दिए हैं विशेष गुण बताए हैं या ऐसी बात आई है, विशेषताएँ आई हैं, उनके बारे में यहाँ बताया गया। देखिए क्या है, केस ऑफ चाइना। द मेंबर ऑफ चाइनाज पार्लियामेंट आर कॉल्ड कांगो, रेमिन, डाई बायो भायू, नेशनल पीपुल्स कांग्रेस। कहते हैं मेंबर्स ऑफ चाइनाज पार्लियामेंट आर कॉल्ड क्या है, कांगो, रेनमिन, दाई ब्यू, ये नाम कहलाता है। जैसे अपने यहाँ सांसद कहलाते हैं, वहाँ के मेंबर क्या कहलाते हैं, कांगो, रेनमिन, दबाई, दुहाई, नेशनल पीपुल ऑफ कांग्रेस। दे आर elected by peoples after every 5 years. The National People's Congress is empowered to appoint the president of the country and some members elected by the army. Before contesting election, a candidate needs to obtain the approval of the Chinese Communist Party. Only its members are members of 8 parties allied to it are allowed to contest the election. In this way, the government is always formed by the Communist Party. वहाँ के चुने हुए सदस्य क्या कहलाते हैं, इन सब के बारे में पेज नंबर 256 में नीचे केस ऑफ चाइना में देखें और अंडरलाइन कर लें। कभी भी पूछा जा सकता है, लंबा नाम है, कठिन है, जो लिखकर कई बार लिखोगे तब याद होगा। कांगो, रेनमिन, दाईव्यू लिखा हुआ है, दोहाई से दोहाई कहते हैं। तो ये आप नाम बार बार लिख करके याद करें कि वहाँ के चुने हुए सांसदों को क्या कहते हैं, वहाँ की बात। अब इसके बाद केस मैक्सिको का देखिए क्या है। अब इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ेंगे। मैक्सिको केस। मैक्सिको बिकेम इंडिपेंडेंट इन 1930। Mexico became independent in 1930. Elections are held there after every 6 years to elect its president. Mexico has never been under military or dictator's rule. Till 2000, all the presidential elections were won by PRI, Institutional Revolutionary Party. PRI means Institutional Revolutionary Party. वैसे आपके अनुसार IRP बनता है, लेकिन वहाँ लिखते हैं PRI. The reason is they employed many corrupt party practice and unethical means to win the election every time. Malpractices of PRI, malpractices were agenda. Party meeting, all the government officials had to attend party meetings. Parenthood, teachers of government school used to force parents to vote for PRI. Shifting booths. Sometimes polling booths were shifted from one place to another to make it difficult for the people to cast their votes. Conclusion of both the case. The election, the case of China and Mexico, so that the election do not look to have been held properly. The reason holding election of any kind is not sufficient. The election must offer a real choice between political alternatives, that people should have right to use this choice to remove the existing rulers if they wish. So these examples are not of true democracy. In this way, another feature of democracy is that democracy must be based on a free and fair election where those currently in power have a fair chance of loss. Now, one person, one vote, one value, next day. Thanks.